My name is Ann Rumney. I work at Salesloft as a staff QA program manager. So I kind of been involved in all the test strategy and the tooling and automation things and kind of anything to do with testing. Salesloft is the only AI-powered revenue platform that brings certainty to every single revenue customer interaction. So it's a one-stop shop for anybody that sells anything. Having automated regression suites is like having your right arm. I mean, if you don't have automation in this day and age of software testing or software development, you're going to fall behind really fast. QA Wolf's value to Salesloft is allowing us to spend less time worrying about regressions going out, but also we can use our resources in different ways instead of writing those tests and running them. Because you guys are able to run all of these tests in parallel, we can set it up to have you run them 10 times a day if we wanted to. It's very time saving and cost saving, obviously. We are not spending thousands and thousands of dollars in hiring SDETs. It's been the year of shifting left. We have our own internal kind of deadline for having a certain percentage of our regression suite complete. And without you guys, there's no way we would have gotten there. We started trying the no code way, and that just did not work for us. Then we tried having some of our developers kind of start it, but they weren't super jazzed about writing those automated scripts. And then we graduated to hiring or promoting into a couple of SDETs. We're CI/CD. We test the code, press a button, and merge it straight to production. And so now that we have QA Wolf, we can run those tests before we do that and push that button to ensure that we're catching everything beforehand. The test suite has already gotten to almost 300 tests. We would love QA Wolf to help us get all of our tests over 3,000 automated for our regression testing. It would be amazing. What I love about QA Wolf is that you guys take care of everything from writing and maintaining, and you can run the scripts in parallel, so the suites run so much faster than we could ever have them run on our own here at Salesloft. QA Wolf has probably offset at least 10 people. Here at Salesloft, every team owns quality. It's not the developers, the product owners, or just the QA engineers. It's literally the whole team. When most people hear quality or QA, they just think of testing. And really, quality is more than testing. It's not just this piece of code works, check, move on. Your tests help us be better at quality and help us do things in a more efficient way. QA Wolf being part of this team owns quality is exciting. I think working with you guys is going to be the new thing that everybody does. Because, if you don't get to market in time for a certain thing, then someone else is going to get there first. I have really actually enjoyed working with this team, where working with other third parties can be stressful and painful, and it just has not been that way at all. You guys definitely go above and beyond. I would say QA Wolf is like almost as good as Salesloft in their customer service. You guys are great, seriously.